Welcome to Embedded World in Nuremberg. I'm now at the stand of SECO, and I'm together with Vincenzo, who will explain to us a little bit what the company has on focus, what the company is about, and maybe Vincenzo, as first you can also tell us what is your role within SECO.
Hello, first a warm welcome to the Embedded World 2020 from our SECO team. I'm Vincenzo Difronzo and I'm the EMEA Sales Director at SECO. Since 1979, SECO is designing and manufacturing embedded system with innovative solution on the IIoT level. Just recently, SECO achieved around 400 more employees, 30% of which into the R&D team, and an overall turnover in 2019 of more than $80 million. So I'm very glad to represent this company.
And what are the competencies of your company?
In order to answer to this question, I would like to use the graphics behind that represent our core competence into this market. Each stage of this panel shows the way we can guide our customer through an experience that make us and them successful. First of all, starting from the proof of concept that start from an idea and allowed us to provide something that is good to industrialize this idea in the second stage. The second stage is design and industrialization that could be based on the standard rather than a custom module or a single board, either on x86 or ARM or FPGA. Along with this, we're able to provide the complete set of certification, that allow the customer to smoothly enter into the markets with the final products up and running. The next stage where we are quite strong is the system integration. So we are able to optimize, to combine our experience on the board level with the displays or chassis in order to create new products, either panel PC rather